In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Kick not loading. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first. Now, the first fix is to check the actual Kick servers, make sure they are online and not offline. So just do a Google search, type in Kick server status, and we can go ahead and try the Kick status page or any one of the top results down, detect to see if Kick is down. If it is, we simply just need to wait it out. Now, the next fix here is to go ahead and force a refresh. So a hard refresh. So on your keyboard, go ahead and hit on Control and F5, and that's going to refresh your page. We can even fully close down the web page and then try opening it again and heading over to Kick and see if that works. Now, next fix is to go ahead and clear the cache and cookies. So computer cache can stop Kick from loading. So what we need to do, I'm on Google Chrome. This follow along if you are on a different browser. If you're on Firefox, you just go ahead and basically get into settings and then click into privacy and security, and then jump into, where are we, delete browsing data, and we need to make sure cookies and other site data, cached image files are checked. Click on more, click on all time, and click on delete data. Now, the next fix here is to go ahead and, I'm just going to pause this so it doesn't load, is to come over to your extensions and then go ahead and click on manage extensions, disable all your extensions here one by one, and then just come back, do a hard refresh again, so Control F5 and see if Kick works. If it does, that means one of your extensions is causing the issue. So just come back here, enable these one by one to see which extension is the culprit. Now, if you've got any VPNs or ad blockers running in the background, Kick may not load properly if you do. So just go ahead and disable them to see if they are the issues. Now, we can also check internet connection. So slow, unstable internet can block stream. So you can restart your router. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and avoid public or restricted networks. Now, last thing we can try is go ahead and try incognito mode. So click on new incognito mode, go to kick.com, see if it works there, or we can try another browser.